today?
Play-Doh.
Really? You're going to show everybody how we can do Play-Doh. And we're going to use all the utensils from Mommy's kitchen. Yes? Okay, so look. Oh my God, look. What do we have there? What's that? Flour. So we're gonna use? Yeah, that's a spoon. So we need a spoon. We need flour. Let's see, what else? What's that? Water. We need water. What is this? That's salt. We need salt. Yes. We need flour like this one. And we need oil. Okay? We need oil. So, with those ingredients, we're going to make a big Play-Doh. Yeah. What else do we need? We need a bowl. Yes, we need a bowl to mix all the ingredients there, okay?
Yes.
So, we're gonna start, and also we need a cup. Where is the cup, Marcelo? Look, that one. We need a cup. Okay, so we're going to start with the flour. We're gonna tie the bowl 6 cups of flour, okay? Let's see. Mommy is gonna give it to you, and we're going to put it inside the bowl, okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
here.
do this.
Put 1, 2. I think we're gonna do it in this one, okay? It's bigger. We're gonna do it in this one.
Yeah.
3. Let me see. Okay. Okay, we need 2 more. Okay. What's that, Marcelo? What color is the flour? What color?
White.
Yes, it's color white. Very good. Good job. Yeah. Okay. 2 more. So we can finish the 6 cups. Okay. More. 2 more. Play-Doh. Very good, Marcelo. Good. Okay. And the last one. Here. Whoa, very good. Now we need, look, salt. Where is this? Salt. And we need 3 cups of salt. How many like this? 3. Show me the 3.
3.
1, 2, 1, 2, and 3. Very good. 3 of salt. Okay. I'm gonna open the salt. Hold it. Salt. Okay. We have to put 3. Okay. Okay. 1. 1. And what color is the salt? What color?
White.
It's white too, yes. 2. Okay, do it. Yeah, whoa, it's like a snow, right? And 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 3. 3. Ready? Okay. Now, what is this, Marcelo?
Water.
Now we need 2 cups of water. Wait, but with the cup.
With the cup.
Yes, we have to use the cup. Here, like this. Mommy is going to add some water here. Whoa, 1 and whoa, 2. Very good. We're ready with the cup. Now we need 3. 1, 2, and 3 spoon. Where is the spoon? Yeah, we need 3 spoons of oil. What color is the oil? Yellow.
Yellow.
Okay, with a spoon. 1. Good. 2, and 3. Oh, okay. 1, 2, and 3. Now you have to mix. Look, I have something here for you so you can mix better. Look. Whoa, it's an O. Mix. Yeah! Now, look, we have a big Play-Doh. We can play with the Play-Doh. We're going to add some colors, okay? So, we need another bowl to mix the color. We're going to use color red, color blue, and color yellow, okay? The other one. Okay, so look, Marcelo, we have here food coloring.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna use red. What color is this? Red. We're gonna add a drops. Mommy's gonna open it. See, you're gonna add some drops here. 1. Ready. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 drops, and we're going to mix. Wait, we're going to mix like this. Look, mix. Do it. Yeah, mix. What color is that? Color? Red. See, you have to mix the color. No, you don't want it. Okay, we're gonna add color. What color do you want? Blue or yellow?
Yellow.
You want blue or you want yellow? What color? Look, Mommy's here. You want blue for this one and then yellow for the last one. Okay. Here. Be careful. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Good job. And now we're going to mix color blue. Blue. Very good, Marcelo. Good job. Oh, but you have to mix, okay? Okay, Mommy's gonna mix for you. And the last one, and you're gonna add here color yellow. Look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You want more? Okay. Ready. Very good. 10 drops. And you have to mix now. You have to mix. And Mommy is going to give you some utensils from my kitchen, okay?
Yeah.
So we can use it with the Play-Doh, okay? Okay, we're gonna mix the Play-Doh. Oh, look, now you have 3 colors. What color is that? Red. Yes, it's red. And what color is this one? Is red that one? No, that's yellow. And what color is this one? Blue. Blue. Okay, look. Look, Mommy has a roller. That's so cool. Yes. When you finish to do that, look, you can use a heart. Yes. Or you can use a heart. Yes. Those are for the cookies. And look, this one for the pancakes.
It's a star.
Yes, it's a star. You can use a star too. But you can use the roller first. Look, Mommy can show you. Oh, look these hearts. So one. Using that one, the yellow one. You can use all Mommy's utensils from the kitchen to play with your Play-Doh. Look, you have a plastic knife. Yes. Very good, Marcelo. You need some help?
No.
No? Okay. Enjoy. Very good. What is that? A star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Whoa! Look, I have these two. Those are the Christmas trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put it inside the Play-Doh. You can put it inside, and then you're gonna see what happens.
Yeah.
Yeah, just a little bit. Very good, Marcelo. Wonderful job. Look, I'm going to take it off my tree. Oh, look. You want to take it out? Okay, do it.
Help me.
Okay. Can I help you? Let's see. Whoa, look. Wonderful job, Marcelo. What else do I have here?
There.
Look, I have this one too.
Yeah.
You can put the Play-Doh and you can do a hamburger meat. Yum, 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 yum. See, look, put the bowl inside and then, oh, I'm so strong. Look, whoa, you have a hamburger meat. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Me too.
Yeah, you have to first do a bowl. Okay, strong. Strong. Let me see. Where is it? Wow, wonderful job.
Whoa.
Very good, Marcelo. Good job. I have another one. Look, what is this? We're not going to do lemonade. We're going to put a little bit of Play-Doh inside.
Yeah.
Look. And now you have Play-Doh over there. Open. Put Play-Doh inside. Put it inside. Here.
Me too.
And then close. Strong, strong, strong. Let me see. Wow, so fun. Look, that was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me see. Oh, look. It's like a basket. Yummy. You want to eat it? No, don't eat it. You can eat it, but I have a big heart. You want a big heart?
Yeah.
Okay, you have a big heart there.
Single.
Oh, you're gonna mix all the colors? Okay, you can mix the colors. Okay, now we're gonna have color green.
Yeah.
Okay, a big heart. What's that, Marcelo?
Big car.
A big heart. And look, you can use this one to cut it. We're gonna cut it. Look. Whoa. Oh, you don't want to cut it? I'm so sorry. Subscribe, everybody.
Goodbye.
Yay. Bye-bye, Play-Doh.